some more problems on string. Copy one string into another string. int I, we declare variable I for loop. Char a of 50, comma b of 50, semicolon. Okay. Printf, enter the string, printf enter the string, scanf %s %a for I equal to 0, for I equal to 0, a of I not equal to null character, semicolon, I plus plus. Here b of I equal to a of I and b of I equal to null character. Printf %s %b. Main is closed here. This program is copy one string into another string. Copy one string into another string. Here string A is copied into string B. Class, this is the problem. Write a program in C to copy one string into another string. Here class, program execution start from main, control go to here, I is variable declared here and used in for loop. Char a of 50, b of 50. Here a and b both are string and declared here. Okay, enter the string. So here b enter string A. Okay, now A has something, but string B is still blank. For I equal to 0, A of I not equal to null. जब तक आपका A string finish नहीं हो जाती है. Till this loop execute till string A does not come to end. B of I equal to A of I. Here A of I is copied into B of I. When control exit from this loop, B have all characters that A has. B has all characters that A has. Now in the last of B put the null character. So B assign null character into string B. Okay, now B is complete. B have all things that string A has, and printf %s_b. B print the string B. So here class, string A is copied into string B. A has something. Here you fill the string A, but B is still blank. So you copied the string A into blank string B. When you exit from this loop, B has all things that string A has, and finally B put null character. This is the null character. B put null character in the last of string B and print string B. So here string A is copied into string B, this line. Okay. Word main. Another problem is concatenation of two strings. So we are going to write a program for concatenation of two strings. int I, comma j. There are two integer variable for loop 1 and loop 2. Okay. Char a of 50, comma b of 50, b of 20. String A and B here declared. A and B both are string, which is declared here. Printf, enter the string. Printf, enter both string. Enter both strings. Okay. Scanf, %s A, comma B. Both string input are inputted here. Okay class. Now for I equal to 0, A of I not equal to A of I not equal to null. Okay class, semicolon. Here you can write I++, but we write here I++. Here I is calculated. Okay, and I tells about the number of character in string A. Now another loop for j equal to 0, j equal to 0, b of j not equal to null j++, comma I++. Here A of I equal to B of j. Okay, B of j and A of I equal to null character. This is the null character. Printf %s b. Main is closed here. Class, this is a program for concatenation of two strings. Concatenation of string A and B. Class, here two string is concatenated. Program execution start with main int I comma j char a of 50 comma b of 20 printf enter both string %s a comma b. User input here, user fill the string A and B here. Now A and both have, now string A and both are filled now here. I equal to 0, A of I not equal to null, I plus plus. Okay class, this loop executed till string A does not come to end. So I plus plus, here I plus plus basically count the number of characters in string A. In string A, I plus plus count number of character in string A. Basically this number of character, this I plus plus is used here. Now class, another loop for j equal to 0, b of j not equal to null, j plus plus, I plus plus. Class, here this loop execute till string B does not come to end. This is the null character. Till string B does not come to end. This is the J. So class, this is the B of J. Here A of I receive B of J. B of J is assigned to A of I. But from this I started from this value. Here I has length of string A. So A of I equal to B of J. So string B is copied after string A. Okay, when this loop when control exit from this loop, string A has all things of string A content plus string B content, and content of string B is just after string A. Okay, and here B assign the null character in the last of string A. Now B printf %s. This is the s, %s B, sorry, %s A. This is the A. Okay, so this is the concatenation of printf print the string A, which is concatenation. Basically class, suppose class you enter, suppose in string A you have input hello, you are input here hello, and you are input here in B, you are input here friend. Suppose here you enter hello and here you enter the friends. Okay, so here I plus plus count the number of characters in A, that is the 5. So here A of 5, first time here this loop is started from, here this string is started from A of 5. Okay, so here friend is copied in after the hello. So when you print the %s A, the result is hello friends. Here A has hello friends because friends is copied after hello here. So here this line is concatenation, this program is concatenation of two string, string A and string B. Library function, library are predefined string functions. Class, library are predefined string functions. Both are same. Either you can say library string functions or you can say predefined string functions. There are some string functions, library functions such as strlen, okay, strcpy, str here cat, strcmp, okay class, chr, str, okay, strreb. Class, there are some more predefined string functions, okay, few of them are written here. strlen, small bracket, str, there is no space here, there is no space, strcpy, strcat, strcmp, strchr, str, there is no space here, no space here, strreb. Class, these are some important library, string library function. Okay, strlen is used to calculate the length of a string. strcpy, it is used to calculate the length, used to copy, and this is for concatenation. It is used for concatenation of two string, and it is used for comparison of two string, and it is first occurrence of a given character, in a string, and this is the first occurrence of a given string into another string, and this is used for reverse a string. This is used for reverse a string. Okay class, there are some more predefined string functions. So now we are going to describe one by one. Void main, void main, here int l, void main int l, comma, char a of, suppose hello. This is the hello. L equal to strlen a. You supply a in this bracket, strlen a. Printf %d l. Class, strlen is used to calculate the length of a string. Okay, strlen function, in strlen function you supply a is basically a string which contain the hello. Okay, so strlen calculate the string a length, calculate the length of string a, that is the 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Here strlen calculate the length of string a here. So result is 5, and this 5 is assigned to L. Printf %d L. Now output is 5. Here output is 5. Okay class, so here we can see the use of strlen. Strlen is used to calculate the length of a string. Here strlen calculate the length of a, that is the 1 2 3 4 5. So this function calculate 5 and 5 assigned to L, and we have printed the L, that is the 5. Another problem is copy of a string. One string is a char a hello, hello, okay. Another string is blank, that is the B. This string is blank. Okay class, there are two strings A and B. A has hello, A is filled, and string B is blank. Okay, now B copy strcpy B comma A, printf %s B. Main is closed here. Class, here strcpy predefined function is used. This is the library function of string. strcpy is a library function which is used to copy one string into another string. So here string A is copied into string B, and A has hello and B is blank here. Okay, A is a hello, A contains the hello and B is blank. There is nothing assigned here. Okay, so B is blank here. B copy content of A into B. So whatever in string A is copied into string B. Now B print string B. So here result will be hello. Hello is copied in B, string B also. Okay class. So here hello will be printed here. strcpy copy string A into B. Now concatenation of two string. Class, suppose here this is the friend. Friends. There are two strings, string A and string B. In string A there is hello is content is hello, in string B content is friend. Now strcat and we apply here A comma B. Okay, printf %s B, sorry A. Main is closed here. Class, this program is an application of strcat. This is the library function, this is the predefined function. strcat basically concatenate the two string. Okay, here A and B both string are concatenated. Okay class, A has hello, B has friends. So A and B both are string, both are initialized here, both have content. A has hello, B have friends. strcat concatenate A and B. So B is copied after A. Okay class, in concatenation one string is copied after another string. So here B is copied after A. Printf %s A has now hello friends. So result is hello friends. Okay, previously A has only hello, but after concatenation friends is also added after hello, so result is hello friends. So A have both things, hello as well as friends. Now another application is comparison of two string. Class here string A has Jerry and string B has Ferry. Okay class, int I j k, there are three integer variable I j k, three integer variable. A and B both are string. A has Jerry, B has Ferry. Okay class, now I equal to strcmp. strcmp is basically library function, or you can say predefined function of string. Here I equal to strcmp, here B write A Jerry, and J equal to strcmp A comma B, and K have strcmp A comma Jerry, A comma Jerry boy. Printf print %d. There are three %d, one %d for I, second %d to print j, and third %d to print k. Class, and main is closed here. Class, this program is application of strcmp. Okay, strcmp basically used to compare the two string. strcmp is used to compare the two string. str means string, cmp means compare. Class, here A and B, there are two string, and A has Jerry and B has Ferry. int I j k, there are three integer variable which is used here, that's why B declare first. Okay, I have strcmp A comma Jerry, J have strcmp A comma B, K have strcmp A comma Jerry boy, and now B print I j k, whatever in I j k is printed here. So what will be the result? Class, here strcmp compare the A and Jerry. So A has Jerry and there is also Jerry, so both are equal. In case of equal, there is no difference, so 0 is assigned to I. So 0 is assigned to I here. strcmp A comma B, A has Jerry and B has Ferry. The only difference is here J, here F. Class, A has Jerry, B have Ferry. So only difference is here all characters are equal. All characters are equal. The only difference is J and F. So A have Jerry, B have Ferry. So ASCII difference between J and F, that is the 4. E F G H I J. There is 4. There is difference. Here is J, here is F. Their ASCII value is the difference between ASCII value is only here 4. So 4 assigned to J. strcmp A comma Jerry boy. So class A has Jerry and you have to compare with Jerry boy. So you have Jerry and here is Jerry boy. So class A have Jerry and this is the Jerry boy. Class, this one equal to this is equal to this, sorry, this E is equal to this, R equal to this, R equal to this, Y equal to this. Here is, after this there is a null character. Null character is matched with space character. Null character has ASCII value 0. After Jerry there is a null character, and after Jerry there is a no null character. There is a space character. Here is a space. Here is a space. So here is a null character. After Y, here after Y there is a space character. So null character has ASCII value 0 and space character. Space has ASCII value 32. So difference is 0 minus 32 equal to minus 32. And this minus 32 is assigned to K. When you print %d, 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 I, j, k, so here in place of I, result will be 0 because here A and Jerry both are equal. Here is Jerry, here is Jerry. Both are equal, that's why there is no difference, and 0 assigned to I, that's why here is a 0 and here is a 4 and here is a minus 32 according to this. There are some more string, library string such as strreb, str means string, reb means reverse. strreb is used to reverse a string. Okay class. Second one function is, library function is strchr. This function is used to find the first occurrence of given character in a string. Suppose character is A and you have to find this A in string B, C, D, A, B, C. So class, you have a given character A and string B. You have to find a first occurrence of A in this string. First occurrence of A. Suppose here a character given A and you have to a string given this string. Okay, you have to search, you have to find a first occurrence of A in this string. So this is the first occurrence. This is the not first occurrence, this is the first occurrence. So class strchr is used to find the first occurrence of a given character into a string. Okay class. And third one is a str. This is also library function. This is also a library string function. Here str, this function is used to find the first occurrence of a given string into another string. Okay class, this is used to find the first occurrence of a given character into a string, and this is used to find the first occurrence of given string into another string. Okay class, suppose string is a hello, I, hello, ABC, hello, hello, so, and first string is hello. Okay class, so given string is hello and we have to find the first occurrence of hello in another string. So first occurrence is this. This is the string, second string, this is the first string. So str is used to find the first occurrence of one string into another string. And this strchr is used to find the first occurrence of a given character into a string. This one is used.